What's up guys, welcome to the very first hacking video on my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic in cybersecurity, and it's possibly the reason why I clicked on this video. Today we're going to discuss how hackers break into Wi-Fi networks, and these attacks can put your Wi-Fi network into serious risk. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how they work and, more importantly, how to protect yourself. So let's get in. First of all, for those who doesn't know exactly what is the WPA handshake attack is, well, in a simple term, it's an attack where the hacker intercepts the four-way handshake process between your device and the Wi-Fi router. This handshake is crucial for establishing a secure connection, but hackers can use it to crack your Wi-Fi password if they capture it. Here's how it works. The attacker uses some tools to send deauthentication packets to kick the victim's device off the Wi-Fi network. As soon as the victim tries to reconnect, the router sends a four-way handshake to authenticate the device. The attacker captures this handshake file, and then the real work begins. They'll use a brute force technique to crack the password and gain access to the Wi-Fi network. So let's jump into our demo. First of all, we're using Linux or Kali Linux, which is a Linux distribution used for penetration testing. Second, we need a wireless adapter. For this tutorial, I'm using the TP-Link AC600 dual band USB wireless adapter. We're opening a terminal. Type iwconfig to check if there's any connected wireless adapters. As you can see, there's none. We connect my wireless adapter. Rerun iwconfig to check if it's connected. As you can see, WLAN 0, which is my wireless adapter, and it's in managed mode. Now we need to set it into monitor mode using ermon-ng start WLAN 0. As you can see, it's in monitor mode right now. Now we need to scan for wireless access points. We use sudo erodom-ng WLAN 0. Ctrl+C. For this tutorial, I'll be attacking my wireless access point, dark slab. We're gonna copy the BSS ID. And specify the channel, which is 6. Now, we need to grab the WPA handshake for this. Use sudo erodom-ng -w, which is the file that will store the WPA handshake in hack1 for this tutorial. -c to specify the channel, and -bssid to specify the MAC address for this particular access point. Last but not least, we're going to specify our wireless adapter, which is WLAN 0. Now we need to disconnect some clients. Using airplay-ng --deauth, and then we'll put 0, so -a, and specify the BSSID for our access point. Then put our wireless adapter name, which is WLAN 0. For some reason, the WPA handshake was captured without running this command. On the top of the screen, you could run the other command in the other terminal, so it will send the authentication packets. As you can see, we captured the handshake file, and now we'll try to crack it using a dictionary attack. Use aircrack-ng, specify the file, which is hack1.cap-w to specify the word list we're gonna use. In this case, I'll be using the rocku.txt. You can find the rocku.txt in this following path: /user share word lists rocku.txt. Now we need to wait. In under 30 seconds, we managed to grab the Wi-Fi password, which is hello hello. And here's how you can gain access into a Wi-Fi access point or a Wi-Fi network. Now let's talk about on how can you protect yourself from this kind of attacks. First, use a strong WPA3 encryption. If WPA3 isn't available, you can still use WPA2, but make sure your password is long and complex. Second, you can disable WPS from your router. WPS makes it easier for attackers to guess your password. Lastly, you can also use MAC address filtering. Though it's not foolproof, but it will add an extra layer of security. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and tricks. Got any questions, or you wanna see more content on this topic, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.